Yo, what's up, everyone? About to go driving right now, or we're driving right now, but about to go somewhere. Media guy dragged me to it, but you know, we're here. We are here.
On the way.
I think I gotta scoot up so they can recognize me. All right, we're good.
Basically, we're just trying to get more members to join the Discord. So I had told them we had to go put some footwork in, so that's the reason why we're gonna go to this event for all the business people and stuff like that.
Yes, shout out to all the members inside the Discord. You can see what we try to do inside the Discord, the games we try to go for, and also we will be dropping a 7-day free trial for the new members that want to see what we do here. You can see it live in action, and yeah, if you like us, feel free to stay. If not, we will still be free streaming. So yes, that'll be dropped soon, probably in one of the emails. So if you're seeing this, welcome to the team.
Alright, you guys, so we went to the wrong one. So we gotta go relocate.
This was media guy's fault.
Hey, it's my fault, bro. We gotta go to the.
A lot of people out here, man.
Nah, for real.
Hey, friends, I do the mode. I do the mode. Keep the pole.
Alright, we're almost there.
I'm okay, but I'm doing okay. No, I'm feeling great.
Alright, now we about to go inside.
Well, I gotta pay first.
Yeah, after you pay for parking.
Yes. Then I listen to my license plate number, my phone number. I even got to enter in his social security number. Come on.
Damn. Be like that. Aquí estamos here at the event, the network, focused on people doing VIP.
On the outside?
Alright, bro, we're finally here at the fucking event, bro. We're gonna try to recruit some members for the VIP. And speak English.
Let's see, wow, from my Dominican. I got into real estate to mainly be here for our people, the Hispanics, the Hispanic community. 98% of my business are Hispanic borrowers buying homes in the United States. Yeah. Majority, all of them, if not first-time home buyers. And I caught so much.
Them for this event, Yami, there you go. Shout out to them for this event. I hope this grows to 200 people, 500 people. Let's go global, all right?
Where we live.
Thank you. Next up, we have Daisy Visuals. Where's Daisy?
Finally finished the whole event. Got a couple people that's gonna join and stuff.
Top down, baby. We are going home.
All right, we got a couple people that may be interested in joining the VIP. And
Dude, so many people there did not know anything about trading. They all said it was so hard to learn, but we gave them something really easy to go for. And see you guys on the screen. Peace.